Two things I'm testing out here, gentlemen. First of all, how fast I can shoot 18 rounds, but how fast I can do it with my eyes closed. Alright, I'm going to fire the first shot with my eyes open. Everything after that is going to be eyes closed. I want one of y'all to stand on this side to verify that this eye is closed also. Because this is my dominant eye. So somebody stand on this side. Just verify that I have my eyes closed after I shot my first shot. Okay? Somebody hit the buzzer for me, and I'll shoot on the buzzer. Tell me when to stand by and all that stuff. I'll tell you when I'm ready. Let me back up to 3. Okay? Back up just a tad bit, man, because you're going to catch that muzzle blast. Alright? Just tell me that you can back a little bit. I think it'll be able to get it.
I got you. You're fine.
Yeah, I'm saying, but the muzzle blast. I want you to get that muzzle blast. Alright. So, 3 yards. Everybody got ears and eyes on? Verify my eyes going to be closed after the first shot. Okay? You ready?
Yep. Stand by.
Alright, hold on. Let me get my grip and my alignment. Okay? Waiting on you, sir. Okay? See, it went north on me a little bit. How fast I got?
3.24.
3.24?
Yep.
Not bad. 18 shots. 3.24. I see I had a lot.
Stand by.
Hey, I didn't. Still had a couple rounds.
3.6.
I still had a lot of rounds left. Let's see what I do got left. We'll shoot that. I got 3 rounds. Let's see how fast I can bust out 3. What happens when you short stroke the gun? Ready?
All right. 1.67.
1.67?
Yep.
That's too slow. That's too darn slow. I want to do it again, but I'm gonna leave it like it is. What I give him that? The 17? I mean, how many was 14 shots?
Yeah.
How fast was it?
That was 3.6.
3.9. Not too bad. Appreciate it, sir.
I got faith in you.
You recorded? All right. You still set on part-time?
Yep. 3.5.
Ah. All right, we're doing this bull crap again. I got during mag dump in an 8-inch plate at 3 yards. Time 3.5 is the time. We're gonna try to stroke this mug until we're happy. All right, ready to wait on you, sir.
Stand by.
All concealed. I want.
4.65.
Yeah, I want to hit my trigger fast enough.
42 seconds difference.
Let me see what the split time was on here. Alright, first shot way too slow. First shot 1.36. Everything else was, everything was an average of 0.4 split time, 0.14 split time. In between the 9th shot I had a 0.34 split time. The 12th shot I had a 0.31 split time. And the 15th shot I had a 0.29 split time. And of course the 17th shot, almost a half a second. On a darn split time. 149. Not bad. Not bad.
You dropped your first one.
Yeah, because I got stuck in my clothes. What is it? 154? Yeah, I got stuck in my clothes pushing out. I had my front sight tucked down. What we got?
151.
157? Not bad.
157, sorry.
Pretty consistent. Pretty consistent. I'm alright with it. I'm alright with it.
5 shots, 1.98.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Remember, just keep squeezing till that bad boy go empty. Stand by. Your hand get tired after a while, don't it? 4.6.